yarn, the tighter, less chunky yarn will work best, and scissors. That's it! Let's get started. To begin, we'll cut an 8 to 10 inch piece of yarn, and then another one at about 15 inches. Then we'll start by unraveling some yarn so it's easier to wrap. Then begin wrapping the yarn around your fingers. I recommend wrapping it at least 90 times. The more you wrap, the fluffier your pom-pom will become. Make sure to wrap it tightly enough so that it doesn't fall apart, but lightly enough that you can slide it off your fingers for the next step. Now that the yarn is wrapped, cut off the excess and grab your first 8 to 10 inch string and lay it down. Gently slide the wrapped yarn off of your fingers and lay it down sideways above your string. Then tie the string down the middle of your wrap. Remember to pull tight, but not too tight that you pull your yarn apart. I like to flip it over a few times before knotting the tie to keep everything nice and snug. Once you've got it securely tied, take your longer 15-inch string and tie it to the leftover smaller piece. Once that longer piece is on, you can cut off the remaining pieces of the short string, and you've got the tail end of your bookmark. Now, holding your wrapped yarn on its side, slide your scissors inside and start cutting the yarn loops. As you start cutting the loops, you'll see that it gets pretty fluffy on its own already. Keep cutting until all of your loops have been cut through. pom-pom will start to look like a ball. You can fluff it out a little bit more and then give it the trim that it needs. Start snipping around the ends to even everything out. Just make sure to keep an eye on the tail so you don't accidentally cut that. And there you have it, your very own yarn pom-pom bookmark. You could add a charm at the end if you wanted some added weight, or even tie another pom-pom on. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check back next week for our upcoming Bluemoon Craft.